If AutoCAD is showing error code 18003, you are dealing with a Boolean operation failure. In simple terms, that means the 3D modeling engine, also known as ASM, could not calculate the intersection, union, or subtraction between two objects. This error is closely related to codes 18026 and 18028, and it usually points to a problem with the geometry itself rather than a random software glitch. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly why error 18003 happens and how to fix it step by step. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD troubleshooting guides, because these kinds of fixes can save you a lot of time on complex 3D models. First, let's understand the most common causes. One major reason is non-manifold topology. That means the Boolean operation would create something physically impossible, like two volumes touching at a single infinitely thin edge. Another common cause is coincident faces, where two surfaces sit perfectly on top of each other at the exact same coordinate, so AutoCAD cannot determine the new boundary. A third cause is dirty geometry, which includes redundant vertices, tiny microgaps, or self-intersecting surfaces that confuse the calculation engine. Now let's move into the fixes. The first fix is called a micro move. Select one of the objects involved in the Boolean operation and move it by a tiny amount, such as 0.0001 units. This small shift breaks perfectly overlapping faces and forces AutoCAD to recalculate the geometry more cleanly. In many cases, this is enough to remove the 18003 error right away. If that does not solve it, the next step is to clean the body. Use SOLIDEDIT, then choose Body, then Clean. This command helps strip out redundant edges and extra vertices that create noise inside the solid. After cleaning the body, try the Boolean operation again and see if the model behaves better. Next, you should check the validity of the solid. Set SOLIDCHECK to 1, then run SOLIDEDIT, choose Body, and then check. AutoCAD will tell you whether the solid is valid or invalid. If the object is invalid, that means the geometry is corrupted enough that it should be rebuilt or repaired before you continue. This step is important because a Boolean operation is only as good as the solids you feed into it. Another very effective fix is to simplify the model. If your object has complex fillets, chamfers, or tiny detailed edges, try deleting those features first. Then perform the main Boolean operation on the simplified shapes. Once the main volumes are successfully joined, you can reapply the fillets or chamfers afterward. This often prevents the 3D engine from getting overloaded by too much complexity. If the error still appears, try an incremental join. Instead of selecting a large group of objects all at once, combine them one by one. This helps isolate the exact object that is triggering the 18003 code. Once you find the problematic part, you can repair or recreate it instead of guessing which solid is causing the issue. And here is another advanced workaround that often helps with tolerance-related errors. Scale up the entire model by 10 times or even 100 times, perform the Boolean operation, and then scale it back down to the original size. This can bypass internal tolerance limits that sometimes cause Boolean failures in small or very precise geometry. Just make sure you scale everything consistently so your model stays accurate. So to recap, AutoCAD error 18003 usually comes from bad geometry, overlapping faces, invalid solids, or tolerance issues. The best fixes are to micro-move the object, clean the body, check validity, simplify the geometry, test objects one at a time, and scale the model up if needed. If this video helped you solve the problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and fixes. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up guide on how to fix AutoCAD Boolean errors like 18026 and 18028 in the same step-by-step format. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.